Hi guys, this is Tech Sensei PH, and today's video I am gonna show you how to block any website in your computer. So let's get started. First, right click the notepad and run it as administrator. Go to file and open. And click the C drive or local DC. Go to Windows, System 32, drivers, and go to etc, and make sure that you click the all files. Now click the host and this is very simple and easy. Just copy the 127.0.0.1 and paste it here, and after that you can now type the website you want to block. For example, facebook.com, and if you want another one, just click space and for example youtube.com. Don't forget to save. Let's try it. YouTube and Facebook. There you have it. If you want to add another website, to just paste it again and just enter the website that you want to block. If you want to unblock, just delete and save again. And let's check if accessible. Facebook and YouTube. So there you have it. If you want another video like this, just subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Peace.